Shanabami. It is Mr. John Hunt himself, the uncle in the vehicle spare business parts, and now a very big family member of ours here at the Vuma FM Drive Show. Good afternoon, Mr. Hunt. How you doing?
I'm doing very, very well. And I thought you were talking about me and not Tony Braxton.
You know my love for you, though. You know my love for you, Mr. Hunt. You know how it goes.
Yeah, always looking good and always staying relevant. Oh.
No, but it is you, though. You know what I mean? It definitely
Absolutely.
is.
Two birds, one stone.
It is.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I'm so happy, man.
Glad to have you with us as per usual right here at Vuma FM Drive Show. So today, in regards to the Boyz and what the uncle in the vehicle spare parts business is doing, we're talking about what freedom actually means. And the question is today, how do the Boyz celebrate true freedom?
Well, basically for the listeners out there, very important message that I'm going to give them is that we have a new law in South Africa now that has just been passed through Parliament. It's called the right to repair. So in other words, if your car is insured and you have an accident, you now, the driver of that car, have absolutely new freedom, which is just has to be celebrated in South Africa, which means you can choose where to buy the parts for your car and you're not dictated to. Before, if you had an accident, they would tell you, take it to one of these 3 panel beaters, which was always part of a big group, and you have to buy your parts from a branded organization. Well, that information is now not relevant anymore because there's a bill called the right to repair. So that means once you've had an accident, you are now legally able to buy your parts from Spares Boyz and have your car repaired at a much cheaper cost by buying through the Boyz. So that's just unbelievably good news for all the listeners out there, especially if you've had insurance on your vehicle. But if you haven't got insurance, you still have the freedom to come and choose us as a cost saving to you. So my message out there is we've got Freedom Day coming up.
That's right.
We now have new freedoms in this country. Just as I'd say to the listeners, we have a freedom to choose who we vote for and who we put into the government. So it's now up to us to choose this freedom. Choose the Boyz and choose the right candidates that can get our country sorted. That's the happiness and the message of freedom from the Boyz.
That's absolutely fantastic. So, and how can the listeners now contact the Boyz group?
Right. For all the listeners out there, if you drive Mercedes, BM, Honda, Tata, Hyundai, Kia, Jeep, Land Rover, Renault, Peugeot, Citroen, or Volvo, Spares Boyz are the guys to come and see. If you drive any other car, any other brand on this planet, including all the new Chinese cars, we have a division called Parts Boyz, which specializes in every single part for every single car new. Or we have, for the armchair listeners out there who want to get the parts ordered via the internet and delivered directly to them, we have Africa Boyz online for all brands. Now, all 3 of these companies are located at 89 Chris Harney Road. You can reach them via WhatsApp at no cost. The WhatsApp line is 031 579 8501 for Spares Boyz and for Parts Boyz. If you want to deal with the online guys, that's not just an online call center, but you can deal with the sales guys directly. They're available on the WhatsApp line at 031 579 8524. And of course, if you want to pop in any time, it's 89 Chris Harney Road. We're just too happy to see you, and we're just too happy to release this freedom to you that we've got now in the country, is the freedom to choose, and that's what we're going to celebrate. And we've got Freedom Day coming up. We're so excited about that. But to all the listeners out there, have the freedom to choose. Come and choose the Boyz, because I know we're going to make you happy.
Thank you so much for taking your time, Mr. John Hunt. It's always a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you very much, and my best regards to everybody. And I'm hoping next week I can come into the studio myself.
I would love that.
And we're going to celebrate. So get all the listeners out there ready. So this time next Wednesday, we're inviting all the listeners to come to the studio. We're going to have a party.
Oh, we absolutely would love that. That is Mr. John Hunt from the Uncle in the Vehicle spare parts business, and you heard it from himself. He'll be in studio next week, so make sure that you are around and stay tuned.